welcome to Lake Nona, Florida. This is a 17 square mile mixed use community built out in the southeastern part of Orlando, Florida, within the city limits. Today you're in for a treat. If you're looking for luxury homes with different architectural styles, then Laurel Pointe by Toll Brothers is the place for you. Currently they have 4 move-in ready homes ranging from $1 million to $2 million. They currently offer 2 different collections with a dozen floor plans. But today we're going to tour 2 of those floor plans with 3 homes. All right, we're going to take a tour through the Marsanne first and then to the Dolcetto floor plans. Come with me, let's check it out. By the way, if this is your first time to this channel and you want to know everything there is about living in Orlando, Florida and the surrounding areas, then subscribe below and tap the bell notification so that you are the first to learn about the current market here in Orlando, Florida. My name is Lee Bennett. My team and I get calls and text messages every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Orlando, Florida. And we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so that we can help you make a smooth move to Orlando, Florida. All of the contact information is in the description below. Let's check out these homes. All right, now we are here at the first house. This is the Marsanne floor plan with the farmhouse style elevation. A few stats before we go into the home. We have 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 1 half bathroom with a primary suite on the main floor, 3-car garage, 4,379 square feet of living space, and it's priced at $1,664,995. Enjoy the tour. All right, wow, that house was amazing. All right, now this next home is nothing short of what you just seen. It is amazing also. So with this, the next home is about the same size, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 1.5 bathroom, 3-car garage. Only thing is, it has a little more space. All right, it has 4,429 square feet of living space. And this is the Dolcetto floor plan by Toll Brothers. And it's priced at $1,899,000. And again, it is available for a quick move-in. So if you're interested, make sure you make a quick move. All right, let's go see it. Wow, I hope you enjoyed that tour as much as I did. Now we're moving on to the last, but before we go to the last home, make sure you comment below your favorite home so far, and if you think it's worth the hefty price that is tagged along with it. Right, and now this next home is the Dolcetto floor plan also, but just has a modern architectural feel to it. It has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 4,357 square feet of living space, and it's a little bit pricier than this one behind me. It's $1,999,000. All right, let's go check it out. All right, I showed you 3 different homes here in Laurel Pointe in Lake Nona, Florida, ranging from $1 million to $2 million. All right, and they have 4 quick move-in ready homes available. I was only able to show you 3 today, but nevertheless, if you're interested in this community or any community around Orlando and the surrounding areas, make sure you give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. Lee Bennett with Life in Orlando. Hope to see you around. Peace.